Hi, this is Penny, and I'm going to show you registration on the TCCU mobile app for Android, which you'll find in the Play Store under Torrance CCU. Once you have the app open, tap the register button beneath the sign-in and input your account number, the last four of your social, and at date of birth, tap the year in the upper left corner of the calendar widget and then swipe down until your birth year appears. Select your year and then navigate to your birth month with either the left or right arrow. Select your birth date, tap Set to finalize, and then input all the numbers from the first line of your street address. So if your street address is 1234 5th Street, Unit 67, you're going to type in 1234567. Tap Continue. And then next, we will need to authenticate this device with a 6-digit confirmation code. This code is going to be sent to either the cell phone or the email on file for you. I like to choose the cell phone for convenience. I'll tap Continue and I'll wait to see a text message appear. And there it goes. Navigating to that, I get my code. Navigate back to the sign-in screen, type in the code, and then tap Continue. And then I have to authorize this device for either a one-time use or persistent use. So because this is a device that I don't share with anyone, and normally when I'm logging into mobile banking, I'm on this device, it makes sense for me to use persistent use for this device. I'm going to name my device. You don't have to, this is optional, but I like to name mine. And I'll tap Continue. And then after reading the disclaimer that I can always remove this authorization for this device at a later date, I'll tap Continue. And now for the fun part, creating my user ID and password. So there's a user ID that I'm already thinking of here, so I'm going to type that in. That one. And I'm going to submit this as my user ID. And that was successfully accepted. I'll tap Continue to create my password, and based on the instructions that I'm being given, I'll type in a password according to that. I will repeat that to confirm what I was just typing. Hopefully that was no typos, and I will tap Submit. And that was successfully done. So next is getting into the account. Just hit Continue and you are now in. So some quick navigation once you're in. This is the landing page. This is the home page that has your savings, checking, and loan accounts aggregated on tabs. There's also some functionality icons at the bottom. So if you tap on the down arrow on any of the tabs, you'll get a drop list of suffixes underneath that tab. And if you want to see more information about that account, like transaction history, just tap on that account that you want, and the account history, transaction history will appear. Now, you'll notice that the transfer and deposit, mobile deposit functions have been conveniently placed as buttons front and center in this view. Now to exit this view, you can either tap the left arrow at the top, or you can tap on Home at the bottom, and you'll get back to the home page. For your convenience, the toolbar at the bottom stays fixed here as you navigate throughout the app. So just like we showed you, the Home button will return you to this home screen. The Transfer button and the mobile deposit functions are here. Also, bill payment. But please note that bill payees must first be set up in the home banking platform, which is accessible by going to our website at www.torranceccu.org. Your home banking user ID and password is exactly the same as this mobile app user ID and password. Finally, tapping the hamburger button at the very end gives you more functionality like MasterCard access, your statements, tax forms. This is also where you can change a user ID or a password and also challenge questions, and you can also set up biometrics. There's a lot of functionality on here. I hope you take time to navigate and explore all these other functions. And then finally, to end your mobile session, which is always recommended, scroll down to this very bottom. This is the very bottom, and tap the sign out. Please do not hesitate to contact us if you have any questions, and thanks for watching.